Welcome back to Mimi's Organic Eats. Today, John and I are making Pupcakes. Treat your bestie to these dog cupcakes. I'm sure they will love them as much as John does. Start by preheating the oven to 350 degrees. Grate 6 ounces of carrots with a fine grater. You want to make sure to use a fine grater and not a large one, otherwise the consistency can be off. In a large mixing bowl, add half a cup of extra virgin olive oil, the grated carrots, 85 grams of honey, and 2 large eggs. Whisk to combine completely. If you have crystallized honey, like I do here, this is a great way to use it up. While it's not ideal for drizzling, it's totally safe to eat and it's perfect for baking. Next, add in 127 grams of all-purpose flour, 85 grams of unsweetened fine shredded coconut. Be sure that your coconut is unsweetened for your dog. And last, add in half a teaspoon of baking powder. Mix together with a spatula until a cake batter forms. Line a cupcake pan with liners. Scoop the batter into the pans, filling them 3/4 full. This is one of John's favorite treat recipes, and we know that your dog will love it too. Bake the Pupcakes for 22 to 26 minutes or until a toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean. Allow them to cool completely before frosting. For the frosting, you can use plain Greek yogurt or peanut butter or a mix of both. I also like to add some freeze-dried strawberries on top, as these are a great treat for dogs and they love them. Treat your dog to these homemade Pupcakes for their birthday or just to celebrate how awesome they are. If you want more organic dog recipes like this, be sure to hit that subscribe button and join us next time in the kitchen.